Hey Sarah, this is Mark. Hey, I'm going to go over 3 tips you can go do today to help you bring more customers in. I know times are tough, so we're really just wanting to help businesses grow. So if by the end of the video you find that we can really help you, reach out. We'd love to chat. Otherwise, you can take these tips and do them yourself. So let's just jump right in. The first thing we want to go over today is content. You want to have at least 1,500 words of content on your home page. Google really loves content, so you want to have these buyer intent keywords throughout these 1,500 words. Another thing that you want to do is name these pictures, the pictures that you use as one of those keywords, and we'll go over those keywords here in just a second. The next thing that we want to go over today are your citations. So if we search for foundation repair in Houston, this is what comes up. So this is what we call the map pack. So typically this is your goal to be on page number 1. So because most customers are typically going to choose one of these top businesses, or if not one of these down here in the bottom, which is called the organic section, and we'll go over that here in just a second as well. But how do you get here? Well, basically, it's your business name, address, and phone number when registered through directories such as Yelp.com, YellowPages.com, or even the Better Business Bureau. Yelp is a big one, and when it's used, it creates a backlink to your page, and we'll go over the backlinks. So going over the backlinks, this is the section underneath the map pack, which is called the organic section. Your keywords and backlinks play a really big part in how you rank down here. So this is another system here that we use. It's called Ahrefs, and it's a system that we use. It gives you a basic idea of how your website's performing, and it shows your keywords and how you're referring domains as well. So in your website, you're showing one organic keyword. Let's take a look at it real quick. So you're showing to have this BBB foundation repair, and it's showing 20 clicks per month on this one. So we went ahead and to compare you guys to Olshan foundation repair, because they're the top ones in this section here. So we went ahead and took a look at them. These guys have 422 organic keywords, 35 referring domains with 116 backlinks. So what this means is, with all this information, it's bringing about 450 people per month to their website. So if you were to think about it, like, what would another 400 people plus do for your business? So again, every day these people are looking for these keywords, and you really don't want to miss out on these keywords from being number 1 on top of your competitors in this overall section. So when you have the right buyer intent keywords, these people are searching for, which will in turn bring more traffic to your site, right? So and as for the backlinks, I mean, they're not all created equal. So some can have the rule of not to follow, and in which will turn out won't bring your site power, and at times it may take away from it. So others might be spam. It really depends on how you build out these sites and backlinks by going over these informational sites or blog sites and creating the information to your page, right? So it's very time consuming, which is why most businesses really hire somebody to do this. Also, when you create a backlink, it gives your site search engine power, and it's almost like a popularity contest in Google's eyes. So in which in part is how Google gives you the authority to be on page 1. So in summary, if you guys really want us to save you the time and do this for you, we'd love to help you out. Just simply reply back to the email, or give me a call. My phone number's in the email as well. Again, my name is Mark, and we look forward to hearing from you, and we hope you found it informational. Thanks.